I was really impressed how many people got that one right. 5 into 42 went how many times? 8 times, well done. And how many were left over? 2 were left over. So then I did 5 into 25 and it went exactly and gave me what? 5. And so I'm done. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is, what happens if even at the end it doesn't go exactly? So we'll look at what happens when there's some remainders. So we write a little bit differently than we do in primary school. So let's look at a simple example. Let's say 3 into 37. Okay, so if I do 3 into 3, that's about as easy as it gets, isn't it? How many 3's go into 3? 1. 1.
12.
Okay, shh.
Sorry.
Okay, Chad,
12.
focusing. Okay, because you're going to have to do one of these on your own in a minute. So 3 into 7. If I look at my 3 times table, 2 remains of 1. Okay. Now, in primary school, you wrote your remainder as R1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
All we did.
You are not in primary school anymore. I don't want to see any remainders.
Oh yeah.
Okay? They're bent.
Whoa.
You are not going to say remainder 1. You need to tell me the remainder, okay, as a fraction. So it's a bit different, okay? You may have seen this. You are never to write remainder something. There is 1 left over. When you're dividing by 3, that means I have 1/3, okay? So that's pretty easy, but I don't want to ever see you forgetting that and going back to remainders, okay? So you need to tell me that 3 fits into 37 12 1/3 times. All right, so no remainders.
Yep. We have 0.1.
You could do as a decimal, it's not
It's
0.1.
on 4.
We're going to look at decimals a little bit later. It's a bit more complicated than 0.1. Right.
At 8 times.
How about we try a couple more remainder ones? So let's do, hang on, 7 into 95. Okay, yes, Chad. Okay, so that's why we're doing some more examples. Alright, so Chad, if I do 7 into 9, how many times does that fit in? It fits in 1 time, doesn't it? Okay, so 7 into 9 fits in 1 time, but there's still a little bit extra. So when I got to 7, how much extra is left to get to 9? So I've got 7, I've got 8 and 9. So I've got 2 extra. Those extra ones go on the next number. Okay? And now I've got 7 into 25. Now if I'm looking at my times table, so look at your 7 times. If I go down the answers, the biggest number I can get down those, look at the answers for the 7 times. Okay, I know some of you have got it, just give everyone a chance to catch up. The biggest number you can get there is 21. Because you see the next number would be a 28, and 28 is too big. So the biggest answer, Chad, the biggest answer on the times table, can you see is 21? Well, yeah. That's the biggest answer before 25. What times what gave 21? 7 times... 7 times 3. So it was 3 times 7 that gives 21. What does that mean I have left over? Because I'm at 21, I've got to get to 25. So it's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's 4 more. Okay, now this is where it comes a little different. Where's your remainder go? You don't write remainder 4, you write... Not doing a decimal, we're doing a fraction. Careful, cameraman, don't bump the camera. Okay, so it's 4... Where's the 4 go?
With the 7.
What do you mean with the 7?
4 over 7.
4 over 7 as a fraction. Is everyone willing to try one of their own now?
Yes, please.
Alright, cameraman, can you pause that? Everyone's going to try one of their own.
Yeah.